In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up long position on TradingView. By the end, you'll have a clean visual plan on your chart that shows exactly where you want to get in, where you'll take profit, and where you'll cut losses. First, open TradingView and head to the chart you want to analyze. Make sure you're on the symbol and time frame that fit your strategy. This tool works the same whether you're looking at stocks, crypto, forex, or futures, so choose the market you actually intend to trade. On the left-hand toolbar, look for the Forecasting and Measurement section. Inside there, find the Long Position Drawing tool. This tool is designed specifically to map out a bullish trade idea, so it shows both potential upside and risk in a single, easy-to-read overlay. Click Long Position to activate it, then move your cursor over the chart. Click once at the price level where you plan to enter your long trade. Think of this click as dropping a pin at your intended entry. If you want precision, hover over the candle's exact wick or body where you expect to get filled. You'll now see a green zone and a red zone appear on your chart. The green area represents potential profit. The red area represents potential loss. Grab the top edge of the green zone and drag it to your desired take-profit level. Then grab the bottom edge of the red zone and drag it to your chosen stop-loss level. As you drag, keep an eye on the risk-to-reward ratio label so you can quickly align the setup with your plan, whether that's 1-to-1, 1-to-2, or higher. Next, open the settings for the long position drawing. You can do this by right-clicking on the drawing or by double-clicking it. The settings let you turn a visual idea into precise numbers that match your account and risk plan. In the settings window, fill in a few key fields. Enter your account size so the tool understands your overall capital. Add your risk, which is the amount you're willing to lose on this trade. Then confirm your entry price, your stop level, and your profit level. These inputs let TradingView calculate position size and show projected loss and profit in a way that's consistent with your risk tolerance. Finally, save the settings. Your long position is now fully planned on the chart, complete with risk and reward zones you can reference before placing a live order with your broker. Use this visual plan to stay disciplined, stick to your stop, and avoid emotional changes once the market starts moving.